Hi everyone, this is Priyanshu and we are going to talk about our social studies most important and repeating question which have chances to come in your examination. So this is our social movement in our time. It is a chapter name and we are going to see that all the important question about it. So this is a notes and let's talk about our important questions. So here we will see this is a first of all we get multiple choice questions. Okay, then we will see the very short question and easy type questions, etc. Okay, so let's see, this is the Chicago movement is very important. It can ask you, okay, Maria Peby movement related to which states? The dream of Dr. Martin Luther King was, okay, you have to their color and respect. First one, option A. Okay, like that. So Marine Peby, that is the Maria Peby means what it is. Across the many country, green pieces movement has take place. Okay, climate changes, employment, education, that's the climate changes, migration. Okay, option B is there. So worldwide economical and political changes in since 1918s. This is not a cases of American civil rights movement. Okay, so this type of like MCQ question is given, you can also see that. And now it is a very short question answer. Why did the black American begin the civil rights movement? This is important. Name the movement launch for the environment production. Okay, short answer question. Prepare for the pamphlet environment production. This is important. It can come in your 7 marks, otherwise in 4 marks. Okay, remember this one. What are the 3 demands for the Bhopal gas? This is also important. This is very important. This 2 is very important. Explain the media. This you can explain about it. Explain the basic features of social movement. Okay, explain about it. Basic features of social movement. If you don't know about this, then you have to learn about this one. Go and search in Google and learn about the social basic features of social movement, how we can start the social movement. In India, lots of people start a social movement, but they don't know how to follow that. They started 2 days, 4 days, then the movement will be going to end. Okay, like the social movement will start, so don't go through the social media movement. Okay, so I hope this one is going to be here only, and whatever in this one everything is clear. And if you have any doubt, you just leave a comment. And last more thing, if you need a social chapter wise important questions, so in description is a link, you can check. If you want to be see the other subjects, so just go to our channel, click on the playlist, and you will find out there. Okay, so I hope till here everything is clear and you don't have doubt. So we will meet our next video. Jai Hind.